Welcome to the meross HomeKit Troubleshooting and Setup video guide. Today, we'll use the smart plug as an example to guide you through the setup process and provide solutions to common issues you may encounter. Ensure your home hub is online. An offline home hub may indicate a network issue, potentially leading to pairing failure. Having the latest iOS and HomePod versions ensures better compatibility and support for HomeKit devices. Before starting the setup, we recommend the following. 1. Keep your phone, HomeKit accessory, and router within 1 meter proximity during setup. After configuration, you can relocate the accessory if needed. 2. Ensure that your router's 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi is functioning properly. We recommend using the meross application to configure your product, which can automatically sync the device to the Apple Home application. However, you can also choose to configure it directly using the Apple Home application. Let's proceed with configuring the product. Step 1. Open the product package, take out the smart plug, and plug it into a power outlet. Step 2. Ensure that the smart plug is in its initial state. If not, please reset the smart plug. Step 3. Open the meross application and scan the QR code for configuration. After completing the above steps, your smart plug is now successfully configured in the meross and home applications, and you can now control it as desired. If you've experienced difficulty adding a device, we suggest attempting to discover nearby devices first. To ensure they're in the correct pairing state, click Add or Scan Accessory. Select More options to scan for nearby devices. If you can see the device on the nearby interface, you can choose to enter the setup code or back-to-scan QR code for pairing. If your device doesn't appear here, it may not be in pairing mode. Please reset the device and try again. During the setup process, you may encounter some issues due to fluctuations in the network or Apple services. Let's see how to resolve them. If you encounter these situations, for example, accessory not found, accessory already added, the accessory cannot be used with HomeKit. If you encounter these situations, simply reset the device and simultaneously disconnect and reconnect your iPhone's Wi-Fi, or enable airplane mode and then disable it, then reconnect to Wi-Fi. Resetting the device and your iPhone's Wi-Fi connection will ensure that the HomeKit device returns to its initial state once the device has been set up with a scan code. Any cached data may cause partial parameter verification failures. Remember to set up within 15 minutes after resetting. Remember, following these 4 steps will likely resolve your pairing failure issue. Reset the device, disconnect and reconnect your iPhone's Wi-Fi connection. Ensure Home Hub is online. Ensure devices can be found in nearby. If you encounter these situations, for example, connect to a wireless LAN and try again. Connect to a 2.4 GHz wireless LAN network and try again. We recommend logging into your router, temporarily disabling the 5 GHz network, then disabling and re-enabling your phone's Wi-Fi. If the issue persists, please restart your iPhone. Although our devices only recognize 2.4 GHz signals, user feedback suggests that dual-band routers from different brands may cause device misidentification. This may be inconvenient for you, but after successful configuration, you can restore the dual-band signal, and device operation will not be affected. If you encounter these situations, for example, an uncount error occurred. If you encounter this issue, it's usually due to network issues or temporary Apple service disruptions. We recommend restarting your router, rebooting your home hub, or trying to configure at a different time. If you encounter these situations, for example, the setup code is incorrect, please ensure you're using the correct 8-digit pairing code. If your Apple HomeKit device goes offline right after setup, this could be due to having multiple Wi-Fi networks in your home. Make sure that both your smartphone and the HomeKit device are connected to the same Wi-Fi network to maintain connectivity. If you find that your meross device is online but HomeKit shows it as offline, restarting your HomePod can help resolve the issue. This refreshes the connection and can often restore functionality. If you're still experiencing issues, please contact our customer support team for assistance. In summary, configuring the HomeKit device is a straightforward process. Simply follow the steps demonstrated in our video guide. If you encounter any issues, please don't hesitate to contact our customer support team. Thank you for watching, and we wish you a pleasant experience.